Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and working in crawl spaces all the time, we get a lot of questions about a lot of different things, and we had one of our customers call us and ask if we knew anything about how to address high humidity inside their indoor pool house. Stay tuned. Okay, so if you're blessed enough to have an indoor pool, but it may seem like a curse because when you turn the heater on, all of that humidity gets built up inside of that space and causes problems. This lady I was talking to, she was turning on the heater so all of her friends could come over because they like the pool water warm, like myself, I might add. If it's under 82 degrees, I don't want to have anything to do with it, right? So anyway, whenever she turned the pool heater up, the roof and the ceiling and everything inside the pool house started dripping, and all this cold water started falling down on all of her guests, and she said she didn't like that at all. So what we found is that the Aprilaire 1850 is a 95 pint dehumidifier that could be large enough, depending on how big your pool is, to address that humidity inside the pool. So what you got to do though is you want to set up the Aprilaire 1850 inside the room where the pool is, and then just naturally let it drain back into the pool. So that way, as the high humidity gets created, the Aprilaire is catching that pool humidity and then just putting it right back into the pool, and that'll save you some of that water. So if you have a problem with high humidity inside your indoor pool, that could be a great way to address it. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later. Thanks.